please walk to the beach, being careful of the strong current. Thanks.
Yeah, look, good view from here.
Welcome to Teamboat Springs. For your safety, please remain seated in the raft and hold on to the handles with both hands. As soon as you reach the bottom of the slide, please walk to the beach.
It's Evie's turn now.
Strong current.
Eve, I'm started filming already, but you can...
Okay. Where's Boo?
Welcome to Teamboat Springs. For your safety, please remain seated in the raft and hold on to the handles with both hands. As soon as you reach the bottom of the slide, please walk to the beach, being careful of the strong current.
Evie, sit there, that's it. There's like the hands on the clock. At least hold on to it. It is upside down there.
Is it? Wicked.
It's a catch some good place. There's expedition of the rest there.
Eve, film
Here we go. Down we go. Upside down.
Snowdrift ahead.
Rabbits, right.
Oh, we're gonna be rained on. We're gonna get rained on.
It's alright.
Oh.
Enjoy it, Boo.
Yeah, is this you? Is this the end?
There we go. Zip, 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 zip.
Uh-oh.
Film, Mum. Film, Mum.
Now can we get out? Not yet. When the lady in the red swimming costume says yes. They're ready to get out.